Need a better way to track leads and analyze project potential? IntoAEC's Leads Report gives you full visibility, with smart filters, automation, and export tools to simplify your day. To get started, head to the Reports tab and click on Leads Report. This takes you to a dashboard with all your lead insights. Use filters to narrow down leads by project name, assignee, creation date, or project type. Click Apply to view results or Clear to reset everything. At the top, get a quick summary of key data. Total leads. See how many leads have been created. Average transition time. Understand how fast leads are progressing. Business potential. View the total projected value from your leads. Scroll down to explore every lead in detail, including project type, area, location, current status, and contact info, all in one easy-to-read table. Need to share or analyze your data? Just select multiple leads and click Export to download everything in Excel format. Want reports delivered to your inbox automatically? Click the Configure Report Automation icon. Select who should receive the reports. Choose how often, daily, weekly, or monthly. Set a start date and time. Then just hit Save, and you're done. Reports generate within an hour of the time you choose. For daily, weekly, monthly, summaries will be sent at the same day and time in the next cycle. From custom filters and smart insights to automated reports and exports, the Leads Report in IntoAEC helps you make confident, informed decisions faster.